Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at the timers, the VNC and the feed part of the production manager's role. So coming up to this PM computer, the first thing you want to do is set a timer, which is in fire clocks, and it'll come up with this little display here. Now normally duration is a lot easier to work with than time. So normally at this point it's before the briefing, so you'll set however long is left until the briefing, so say it's like 40 minutes. And then you would start the countdown, and then this appears on the monitor next to us here and also on the monitor behind this one to show the band how much time they have until the briefing. Now that the fire clock timer has started, you can then set up your VNCs to make sure the rolling slides are going around the building. So for the first one, you'll often see that there's something left over from the previous week. So in order to get rid of that, you would just hit escape and then you would click the X. And all the videos and all the slides that you will need will be found in Dropbox, which is already installed in each one. So if you're looking for a PowerPoint, it would normally be in the Clarendon Center one, and it would either be in the AM or PM service, depending on which one it is. And then you would click on the PowerPoint slides, make sure that it's full screen, and then you would also double check that it's set to roll automatically. If not, you go into the settings to take it off the travel by click and make sure that it's on rolling. But for this example, I will show you how to do one for a video. So they're found in the All Sites Media folder. You right click on it and you go down to Open with VLC Media Player. At this point it will then load up. And then you would come to this icon here, which is the full screen one. And that would be then full screen. So then that would then be showing around the building. At this point then, you would also come down to the control panel. So this is important, as during the actual meeting, you'll need to change the feeds that's going to the monitors based on what's happening. So if someone is on stage, either hosting or preaching, you press the first one, which is labeled preach, which will then put the video mix around the building. For anything like song words or any PowerPoints for notices, you then press the next one, which is also labeled called monitor feed and worship notices, and that will put those across the building. And then at the beginning of the meeting, as we've discussed earlier with the VLC/PowerPoint, and then at the end of the meeting, you press this one, and then this would then make sure that the rolling slides are on all the monitors across the building. And then at this point, you can then go to this monitor, which then will show you whatever you have pressed to be live on any monitor. So currently it's on the rolling slide, so it will be showing the video that we've queued up earlier. Thanks guys.